Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pavlo from Ukraine, and here is a little update. Let's greet Jack. Good morning, Jack. Mr. Jack. He's a sad guy today, and the reason is this small, cute baby. Yeah, you are right. This is Jack Jr. This is 1 month puppet. It's Jack's son. And now, usually Jack, I don't know, maybe he is jealous because we spend more time with that baby, and usually Jack ignores that baby. I don't know why. Maybe he still doesn't have this father instinct. But yeah, it seems like Jack does not care at all. Jack, you know that you have a baby? You know that you have a son? Jack. I told you that Jack has a girlfriend, and many times he ran away to visit her, and now you see that we have this. We have several names for this baby. I offered Rocky because he is so big, so white, but it's still just a little baby. Luba offered Brian, like from a Family Guy. Brian, you know, the dog. But still we don't know. We don't know the future for this puppet because probably our friends will take it. But now he is growing with us. You see, it's completely Jack's face. Brows, nose, eyes. Jack, come on. You see? Jack is hiding. Who will care about this baby? Yeah, leave me alone. Alright, so let's have a little tour around our yard. Here we have a wild cherry on Mary. Зараз. Yeah, so many cherries here. It's so heavy. And look, this is Jack's girlfriend. I know, she's scared. She's a wild dog and she scared us. Here we have roses, a few types. This is raspberry, and there we also have a raspberry. This is an apple. And as you remember, here we have beehives. I'm not sure about how successful we'll have this year. I mean, how many honey we'll get there, because it's not the best season. Last year it was better. Jack is a shy guy. He is hiding from the sun because the weather today is hot. It's plus 30. What are you doing? This is our strawberry. Yeah, new strawberry. It's from this year. I bought it maybe 2 months ago. This is the corn. Single corn, yeah. Let's have a quick tour on our field. So it's not big, but here we have everything we need. This is the carrot. Here are tomatoes. This is the onion or an onion. Cabbage, pepper, corn. This is potato, corn, pumpkins, and ukrop. This is the garlic. And Luba is taking onion. This is our new garden. It's young, maybe 2 or 3 years, but it's already, let's see. Kitty cat, ты кто? Who are you? Mister.
Скажи, а ты кто?
Jack looks happier now. Huh? Wanna play? Jiggy. Something wrong with the weather. We have heavy wind, so Jack is a little worried about this. He's looking somewhere in the sky. I don't know for what. Jack, what are you looking for? Hmm? He knows something. Just look at this sky. I haven't seen such color for many days. But this side it's normal. The color is so strange, so unusual.
Цей колір називається сіро-буро-малиновий.
Сіро-буро-малиновий. Сіро-буро-малиновий, it's like gray, dark gray, and raspberry color. Сіро-буро-малиновий. Yeah. But it's really looks like a сіро-буро-малиновий color. Color is color in Ukrainian. Alright, it's time to finish this video. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for your support and kind words in the comments. Wish you all best and hope to see you soon on my channel. Bye bye. Не знімай мене. Don't film me.